Hey guys, welcome home. We're here at the Rome store today and we heard that you might have a notion for some motion. I couldn't help the fun. So listen, we've got this HomeStretch group. It's truly reclining. It's got a 3-inch extension on the foot, so if you've got a little height to you, it's going to handle that. It's got the headrest adjustment too. Also lumbar pump built in. So if you've got a little back issue, it'll help. You might can sit through the whole movie. On the very tip, you're gonna find USB port. Plug your phone in, keep it charged. You don't even have to get up, or your tablet or whatever. So guys, we like this group. It's American made, which I think is pretty awesome. Comes sofa, love seat with a console. We've got the recliner over there to match. Buy it all, buy each piece, however you need it. So we're glad to be here, glad to have Rome as a wonderful option for your furniture. Come see us.